Morning, students of class 3. We have come back to our social study class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3. Let's travel. Yes, the chapter is opening with some question. Get, set, go. Circle the correct answers. We use this to go to a nearby town. Bicycle, train. Yes, train. We use this travel to another country. Aeroplane, boat. Aeroplane. We use this to travel by sea. Rocket, ship. So how do we come to school today? Did you walk or did you come by bus, car, auto rickshaw, bicycle, scooter or cycle rickshaw? You can give your answer in your own way. The highlighted words are names of vehicles like bus, car, auto rickshaw, bicycle, scooter, cycle. These are called vehicles. The vehicles that you use to travel from one place to another are mode of transport. The vehicles that you use to travel from one place to another are modes of transport. In the picture you can see the changes in transport. Walking was the only way to go from one place to another in the olden age. Then rafts were made. They were used to travel by water. Next, animals were used as a mode of transport. They carried goods and people. The story of transport. Long, long ago, there were no vehicles. People walked long distances. It took them a long time to go from one place to another. To travel by water, they tied logs of wood together and made rafts, which we have already seen in the pictures. What did they do? For traveling by water, they tied logs of wood together and made rafts. Later, animals were used to transport people and goods. After a long time, the wheel was invented and carts were made. After a long time, the wheel was invented. It was a scientific invention which changed our civilization. And the carts were made. These were pulled by horses, mules and ponies. Today, most modes of transport use wheels. Today most modes of transport use wheels. Much later came the bicycle, the train and the car. The airplane, helicopter and rocket followed soon after. Thus, mode of transport have changed over the years. In this way, the change of transport took place. Modes of transport. We do not use same mode of transport to go everywhere. Did we do this? No. The vehicles we use depends on the location of the place, distance to be covered, time available, and money we can spend. The vehicle we use depends on some points. What are they? Location of the place, distance to be covered, time available, and money we can spend. Sometimes we use more than one mode of transport to reach a place. There are 3 types of transport: land, water and air. How many kinds of transport are there? There are 3 types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport. Bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, cars, trucks and buses move on road. Bicycles, scooters, motorcycles cars, trucks, and buses move on road. There are some modes of land transport. In some cities, people travel by metro. Yes, we have seen metro in our Kolkata, isn't it? Yes. Big cities have metros. Metro trains run on special tracks. In some other cities, people travel by local trains. In Kolkata, some people travel by trams. Have you seen trams? Yes. In villages, bullock carts and tractors are quite common. Water transport. Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. Which is the oldest and cheapest mode of transport? Yes, it is water transport. Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liner. Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liners. Which are called passenger liners? Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liners. Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Boats and steamers ferry us across lakes and rivers. Which ferry us across lakes and rivers? Yes, it is boats and steamers. A port is a place where a ship anchors for passengers. A port is a place where a ship anchors for passengers to get on and get off and goods to be loaded and unloaded. So, what do you understand from this? A port is a place where a ship anchors for passengers to get on and get off and goods to be loaded and unloaded. A submarine is a type of ship that can travel underwater. It is mostly used by Navy. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Which is the fastest mode of transport? Air transport. Air travel starts nearly 100 years ago. People use airplanes to go from one city to another or one country to another. Airplanes are also used to send letters and goods. Helicopters can carry a few people. They are often used to take food and medicine to people in times of need. Solve this. Long ago, people used many vehicles. True or false? False. There are 2 or 3 kinds of transport. There are 3 kinds of transport. Cargo ships carry goods. Cargo ships carry goods. Helicopter carry fewer people than airplanes. We have seen so many pictures of transport here. We made a chart of land transport, water transport and air transport. Modern modes of transport have made our life comfortable. However, most of them run on petrol and diesel. Yes, aeroplane, bus, these are all run on petrol. Petrol and diesel make the air dirty and cause air pollution. Petrol and diesel make the air dirty and cause air pollution. Okay? Vehicle, something used to transport goods or people, wrapped a number of logs tied together, which can be floated down a river, used for transportation over water. So we have learned from this chapter, modes of transport have changed with time. Modes of transport can be divided into 3 types: land, water and air. use of petrol and diesel has made the air dirty. Okay, so we have completed the chapters for our unit test. I have to send the question answers. I will send it next day. Okay, thank you.